everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's painting is a fiery one. It's about the emerging of the human spirit from the trials and tribulations of life. I hope I conveyed that in this painting. I must give a shout out to Rinske Douna. I hope I'm saying her name right. She has a channel with the same name, Rinske Douna, and she has recently moved away from acrylic pouring and started doing this extremely beautiful brush strokes with thick brushes. I encourage you to go check out her channel. But anyway, the reason I haven't been able to do this painting in the past is because I could not get that flame-like feel. It just was too uncontrolled with acrylic pouring. So I kind of married her brushstroke technique with the swipe, and you'll know what I'm saying when you see the when you see her artwork and see what I did here. But essentially, that little it seems so basic now in hindsight, but that little twist of the brushstroke, the swiping cloth, that little twist made all the difference in the world. I will stop talking and let you watch this painting. Hope you enjoy it as much as I did making it. As I always say, like, subscribe, comment, participate in this journey that we are all on together through YouTube. Thank you. Thanks for watching.